What is the original one for this 32?
It's going to be for a 594 PC suspect.
That's a verb.
Go ahead.
Maybe 2, I'm trying to take primary now.
Maybe 2 trying to take primary.
Yeah, maybe 2 primary. Pass Phillips Ranch.
Air unit.
Maybe 2, we're approaching Diamond Bar. Number 3 lane at 70. Light traffic.
Maybe 2 at 70 light traffic.
Is there air unit? How can we help?
I copy. We'll request that air unit.
You got Sheriff Air 7 and route the Worcester 1020.
Air 7 in the air. It's going to be westbound 60, passing Phillips Ranch.
We have a copy of the 594. What's the vehicle description?
It's going to be for a silver come pickup, lights clear.
Maybe 2, we're approaching Diamond Bar, still number 3 lane at 70. Erratic in and out of lane.
Maybe 2, I copy approaching Diamond, number 3 lane, 70 miles per hour erratically.
13, what are the traffic conditions?
We have light to moderate traffic.
Copy light to moderate traffic.
Maybe 2, he's reaching in and out of, he's definitely reaching in and out.
I copy. He's reaching out and in and out.
We're exiting Diamond Bar, stand by for direction. We're going south on Diamond Bar.
Just off the Diamond Bar.
Alright, we're about 10 miles per hour, number 1 lane, southbound Diamond Bar. Correction, northbound Diamond Bar.
Northbound Diamond Bar, 10 miles per hour, number 1 lane.
We are about 65 miles per hour, still northbound Diamond Bar, paralleling the northbound 57.
65 miles per hour, northbound Diamond Bar, parallel to the 57.
Traffic conditions on Diamond Bar.
Light, no traffic.
Light to no traffic.
And we're past Highland Valley.
Passing Highland Valley.
Driver's being extremely erratic. Light to no traffic.
Driver speed extremely erratic. Light to moderate traffic.
ETA on the air unit. Got an Air 7 about 3 hours.
Air 7 about 3 out.
Alright, we are through Temple, still northbound on Diamond Bar. Mission now.
Temple, northbound on Diamond, now in Mission.
Notify Pomona, please.
But Pomona.
Drivers keep reaching in the glove compartment or center console. Very erratic with the hand movement. We are passing Phillips Drive now.
I copy the driver seems to be reaching at the glove compartment.
Unit advised, number of occupants.
I'm seeing one occupant. We're past Humane Way.
Approaching main way, occupant 1.
Alright, approaching the 71 freeway. Vehicle CC at westbound.
Vehicle CC westbound.
Alright, he's continuing. 1 street parallel to Mission, south of Mission. He is going eastbound still.
I'll copy just south of Mission.
Alright, we're at a cul-de-sac.
Driver's at a cul-de-sac.
Alright, he made a U-turn. We're going to be approaching Mission again. Stand by for direction.
Okay, driver made a U-turn approaching Mission.
Alright, we are going 8th Street. We are going westbound now. 1 street parallel to Mission.
Copy, driver just stopped the dog.
Alright, we're passing 9th.
Passing 9. Can you confirm that street?
Yeah, we're going Greer Street from Southview. Southbound Greer Street from Southview. Coming to a stop.
Driver?
Hey, stop! Stop! Stop running! You just dropped your dog. Stop running. Alright, still going southbound on Greer Street.
Second DSC.
Confirm the unit solo again, correct?
Is this confirmed this is a solo unit?
LA 123, come on the orange. What's the 20 of this pursuit?
And maybe she can confirm that 1020?
It's going to be Southview at Greer Street. Southview is 1 street parallel to Mission South.
I copy parallel to Mission South, Southfield Greer.
Now, right street from Southview. Southbound right street from Southview.
Is that on right from Southview?
Driver's either a Hispanic or male agent.
Hispanic or Asian driver?
Cool, I have a secondary unit now.
I copy, we have a secondary unit.
720 secondary.
It's 120 a secondary unit. Maybe can we get an updated 1020?
We're going to be westbound Mission at Greenway.
Without mention that you like point.
And continuing westbound, 160.
Continuing westbound at Janine.
Confirming the airship overhead? Southbound Phillips now.
Is that on Phillips now?
Dude, just give it up, man. Stop, stop. It's not the end of the world. Stop, stop. Just stop. You got 3 units behind you. Stop.
Call to the Navy then. 7, if you can have a Leon 20 to back off. We're going to see some stop to some light.
Unit, can you VID? Last unit, can you VID?
Call 3, you can have a 3 unit back off with this little secondary.
71, call 3 come.
And Orange, you got Sheriff 21 with the site whenever you're ready for us to call. Right here, 7, Sheriff 7.
LAS Solis, Air 7.
So we're going to be submission from right approaching the 71 at 58 miles an hour.
Approaching the 71 at 58 miles per hour.
At 1397, supervisor. CC mission over the 71. Rescue, time 2. Let's swap that. It's not a west on. Hey! Get the fuck out! Stand up. Oh, that's up. Yeah. That's up. Put him on his left side. Relax. I put it in park. Just don't step on that thing. Step on that. Yeah. Before you can call,
That's your 512 out the log.